Hello, Wildflower. I am Lotus Blossom, and welcome to my room. This is Lotus World, and today we're going to be shooting 2 cases with 2 of my favorite beautiful baddies, and I'm very excited, and welcome to the sanctuary. I'll give you a little tour. We have shoes everywhere. Endless abundance. I say you can never have too many shoes, never have too many clothes, never let anyone tell you otherwise. Unicorns everywhere. All the beautiful posters. We have Hatsune Miku and Sailor Moon. We have cameras over here. Justin Bieber with his panties. He's a fan favorite. On to the prop room. We have wigs galore. I'm obsessed with wigs and I can't stop buying them, and I don't think I ever will. And this is where a lot of the magic happens. We have princess dresses for days. We have heels for days. I want to do a princess dress at some point, so maybe that would be good for bubbles in nature. But yes, we have everything, all the magic. Anything that you can dream of, we probably have it here. And we have a guest.
I
Haley
forgot
Mack.
the coats, but I brought so many clothes in my Arizona green tea bag.
It's amazing.
Dude, did
I
you
just
even
love
have
it.
like coffee or caffeine today?
No.
That's amazing.
No, I'm just here. I'm so happy and excited. And things just couldn't be any better.
Literally.
I feel like a lot of these would be really cute for the horse one.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the girl, Renata. Hi. We are gonna make magic. We're trying to figure out outfits right now. Oh my god, this is perfect.
I like this one.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, so maybe
Right,
let's
reward.
pick out like a t-shirt vibe for one of the ones, do we think? And then just get it going.
Can I see
Yeah.
the
Pink
picture?
and brown one. Are you guys kidding me? Like, how is this real?
Oh my god, Diva.
So beautiful. I'm addicted to buying them.
Sweating dresses are so good.
We're gonna do a little poster tour. This is not a poster, but this is Nana, my favorite thing ever in the world. This is like me and Mazzy in my mind. We have A Woman Under the Influence, John Cassavetes, one of the greatest films ever made. It changed my life when I watched it. We have Baz Luhrmann's Romeo and Juliet, another fucking classic, very inspired by it. Marilyn, my queen. The queen of all time. I have Princess Bubblegum poster, which my little brother got for me. I love Adventure Time so much, like more than anyone in the world. I love it so much. And Mazzy made this for me. There's just so many things. There's like a story behind everything. More Justin, me and Mazzy. This is Rose McGowan and Rosario Dawson. Death Proof is like my favorite fucking movie ever. I watched that right before I started to drive, and I was like, well, I know what my plans are for the rest of my life. And fucking Spring Breakers, greatest movie ever made. It's so amazing. I have to watch it like every couple months because this is just, it's peak. It doesn't really get better than that. Justin, Pulp Fiction. This is Lotus Mazzy land. Literally everything is Mazzy. I love Mazzy. Shout out to my girl. I love you. Oh my gosh, this is the hardest thing ever. It have to be like the ones that are up and around here, like Spring Breakers, Death Proof, maybe like Thelma and Louise, and 13. Oh, I forgot. We have posters up here. I have 13, Buffalo 66, Kill Bill, Leon the Professional. That was my like inspiration for my haircut. And also Battle Royale. It's like Fortnite original. Basically, all these teenagers are sent to an island and only one person can leave. And I don't know, I love movies. I think they're the greatest things in the world. Definitely like one of, if not my biggest inspirations. And I want to make movies someday, and that's coming soon. So stay tuned. It's okay, girl. Yeah, that's sweet.
Okay.
Good girl.
Free her.
I love you.
Good job.
Aww.
I love you.
Thank you. Aww.
Thank you for your
Don't be a
contribution.
star, girl. Ah. Wow, I love. Amazing. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. Love. Oh my god, yeah. Wow.
It
That's
looks
so adorable.
Yay.
I love that. It's so fun. I can kind of trace it back in like 2021 or 2022. I was really obsessed with skateboarding. Like, it was my whole life, and I had this beautiful group of friends that I met at freaking skateboarding camp, and I started taking film pictures of them, and I bought, oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I bought like this is my first investment video camera. It's Sony VX3, and it films on high 8 tape. And so I would travel back and forth to Hawaii, and I would film my friends skating and just doing dumb shit, and I would make edits and take pictures of them, and that's really where I fell in love with it. I was just like, oh my gosh, like I'm so in love with the world and all the people, and I just want to capture these experiences and have like a physical form of a way to be able to remember things and moments. And then it kind of just kept evolving from there. And I've always loved like costuming and wigs and styling. And so I just started dressing up all my friends, and I was like, okay, we're gonna go out to the desert or something, and we'll cover you in blood, or just like creating beautiful, fun, special moments just for the hell of it. Like, to have a good life and to explore the world and go on adventures, because that's my favorite thing to do. And I'm excited to continue to do it literally for the rest of my life, and to see how everything will evolve, you know? I think, I don't know, the way that I've aligned with people so far is kind of just like, I say like the universe like brings us together, and like whoever you're meant to cross paths with, and you know, whoever's meant to be a part of your life will be a part of your life, and things kind of happen in such magical ways. It's like you have this idea in your mind of like what you want, and sometimes it just turns out to be something so much more beautiful and magical than you ever could have imagined. But like my number one girl, I'd have to say, is Mazzy. Like, when I met her, it just totally fucking changed my life, and I was like, wow, this is my person. And so I don't know, it's just like when you meet those people who you know are like your soul tribe, and y'all are like meant to be together, it's just like that undeniable like knowingness and feeling in your heart, and it's just one of the most special things about being alive, you know? I want to travel more. I want to go on road trips. I want to take more pictures. I want to I don't know, just continue doing everything that I do and just go deeper with everything and just do more. I want to do it all. What makes, I don't know, my style like me, I guess, is just like that I never want to like confine or limit myself or like try to like box things into like, oh, this is this aesthetic or like this is what we're going for. I'm kind of just like, I am inspired by so many different walks of life, and so I just kind of like, I just love to collect things and like, I don't know, I thrift all the time and I love going vintage shopping and yard sailing, and I'm just like, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And I think it's so beautiful to be able to pick up an item that, you know, someone at whatever point in their life they discarded and give it a chance at a new life. And I think that that's so beautiful. One day I'll wear a princess dress, then one day I'll wear like big fucking boxers and jean shorts, and I don't know. I'm just like, never limit yourself, never box yourself in, and just be free and open to everything. I'm just inspired by literally every single person, like all the people that are in my life and all the people that, you know, are around in the community, and like just walking down the street and I see a grandma like wearing a dress, I'm like, oh my God, she's an icon and I love her and I want to be her. And so I'm just kind of taking things in from every different part of the world in my life. And yeah, so it's not like one person, but just like everything, life itself and art in every single form, movies, writing, and music, and just all of it. There's just endless freaking inspiration out there. I don't know, it's just beautiful. Fashion is endless, the possibilities are limitless, and you really can do anything. And you can wear no clothes, that's an option also. Honestly, when I like listen to music, I just go to Spotify and I do the on repeat because I just like to listen to the same things over and over. I don't know where my phone is, but we're gonna check. My favorite song, according to Spotify, okay, Lullaby by The Cure. That is the greatest song ever. I have to listen to it at least one time every single day because it just makes me feel so good in my heart, and like it makes me want to swing and jig and dance. The Landing by Duster. I love Duster so much. They might be my #1 band out of anything, and that's so hard to say because there just are so many amazing bands out there. More Duster, Pink Floyd. I love Pink Floyd. It's just so amazing. Watch movies. That was like my gateway into, because they are portals into like these whole other worlds that you might not have known ever existed or out there. And so I think just watch movies, and that's a beautiful way to learn about the world and utilize the things that are available to you in your life now. Like my family is like, I'm around them all the time and I spend so much time with them, but they're one of my biggest inspirations, like my grandma and my younger brother. And it's just like finding ways to have fun. And it's like collaborating with the people that you love is like the greatest gift in the world. So just use what's available to you. As far as like equipment and everything, it really doesn't matter what kind of camera you have. Like as long as if you have a vision and you commit yourself to going out into the world and making something, then everything will come together and it doesn't matter. And you will continue to upgrade as you expand everything, but just make things as often as you can, and don't wait for like the perfect moment. Just go and do and make things. And it doesn't have to be good. Don't put pressure on yourself that the first thing you make or anything that you make has to be amazing. Like just do it for the joy of expressing yourself and being creative and playing and experimenting, and yeah, just take all the pressure away and just have fun. Basically, they're meant for you, and by you following your truth and living as your authentic self and following your dreams, you raise the vibration of the whole planet and also inspire people to do the exact same thing. So if you have dreams and if you have ideas, know that they're special and they have value and worth, and you should bring them to life into the world just for the greater good of humanity. And I love everyone, and everyone is so beautiful and special, and freaking never give up on your dreams. Yay. Thank you so much for coming into my world and for watching. And you can shop the cases that we shot today out now. So go get yourself a beautiful wildflower case. And everybody stay magical, everybody dance, and everybody kiss everyone in the world. And follow your dreams and be happy. And I love you so much. Mwah!